epic combination of modifications. Welcome back guys to another video, and as you can see, back in the Civic Type R FK2 and another modification. Now the modification that's been done to this car at the moment is, you've probably watched, if you haven't already then it's on our channel. I fitted an Venturi intake to this car just to make it sound a little bit better, because in standard form they're very quiet, extremely quiet really. To the extent that a few people that I know that have actually classed it as quiet as a electric car. So there's a review of this car on our channel, so please do feel free to check that out. Wicked cars, honestly. What a amazing car the FK2 Civic Type R is. What an amazing car. But yeah, today there's another modification, so I thought I'd make a video for you guys to see. So I hope you enjoy the video guys, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Performance Lifestyles. Check us out on Instagram as well, performance_lifestyles, and we are on Facebook as well, Performance Lifestyles. And if you'd like your car featured on the channel, please do feel free to drop us an email on pflifestyle@hotmail.com. I'll put the email address at the bottom of the screen here so you can see. Drop us an email, I'm sure we can make some sort of an arrangement. But for today, FK2 with another mod, so enjoy the video guys. Right, so as I mentioned, the Civic Type Rs in general are quite a quietish car. I won't say they're refined. With the exhaust, the intake, they're very, very quiet. So after fitting the Venturi, it's made a massive difference. Honestly, this car sounds so much better, almost to the extent where the whooshing and stuff is, for some people it might be a bit too much, but I think it sounds absolutely amazing. Now that side of things is sorted now, but now to get a bit more note out the back, the exhaust mod was required. So what I've gone and done is had a Tegiwa B Pipe fitted. Now the B Pipe is literally just a bolt-on thing. It's quite literally, you take the old pipes off and you fit the B Pipe on. The B Pipe comes in two pieces. Bang it on and it's a night and day difference, and you also get a few crackles and burbles at the exhaust without any modifications. So it's a must-have mod, I suppose, if you've got yourselves an FK2 and you want a bit more noise and don't want to be spending, you know, four-figure sums on a ridiculously expensive exhaust. So just on cruising around normal mode, this is not an R mode, well, it's in R mode now. There's no, you know, it's still fairly quiet. You can hear the whooshing from the intake. You can't, there's a little bit louder note from the exhaust, but no drone at all at the moment. But the moment you open it up, it's like wow, I'll open it up here and seriously epic car. You hear the Venturi sucking in all that air, and then the exhaust note as well is in the car is ever so slightly louder, but when you hear it from the outside, it's massively louder, honestly, but without being ludicrously loud. So it's a good sort of medium if you're looking for that sort of a thing. Highly recommend it. Even, I mean, the Venturi intakes are quite expensive, so if it's not really the route you want to go down, then it's understandable. But the B Pipe is a relatively cheap mod, and it's a must. You can buy them second hand for, you know, 120 odd quid, and I'm sure somebody will probably charge you 40 odd quid to fit it. So perfect sort of modification, less than £200 you can get it done, and it's such a wicked mod, such a wicked mod. I'll put a clip up here of what it sounds like from the outside, and you'll know what I mean. It sounds absolutely crisp. Now here we go, from first gear. You'll see what I mean. I think the combination of these two parts is a must. Seriously, it's a must. And like I mentioned in the other video, get yourselves second-hand parts and you're onto a win-win situation. You can take them off, sell them, get your money back. In essence, you've not spent any money in actually modifying your car. And it seems to be quite a norm thing for people to do in this day and age. To modify and then put the cars back to standard and sell them. It's epic combination of modifications. You just don't get that feel from many cars. And as you're probably already aware, I am a big Honda fan, especially these Type Rs. And these new age turbocharged ones are just way better than I had anticipated, and probably what a lot of people had anticipated. They are an absolute epic car. Epic mod. It's the whooshing and then the noise out the back. Oh, perfect. Right folks, that's it for this video. Like I mentioned, it was just a brief little thing just to let you guys know my opinion on the B Pipe, and combined with the Venturi intake, and I'd say it's a must. Honestly, it's a must. It sounds great. If you're after a bit more noise, definitely get it done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Performance Lifestyles. Check us out on Instagram on performance_lifestyles, and we're on Facebook as well, Performance Lifestyles. And if you'd like your car featured, as I previously mentioned, pflifestyle@hotmail.com, and we will be more than happy to accommodate. And there is also another bit of news on this car. I've actually sold this car now and have bought a replacement. So the video for that will be up on the channel very soon. So do check that out when it does pop up. To be fair, it wasn't a planned sale. It was just, I knew somebody looking for a car, for this car, one of these cars, as a damage repaired one, as this was, for that sort of budget. And yeah, just sold it and thought I'd move on to something else, but I've still got access to the car, so hence why I'm videoing this thing today. So yeah, it is what it is, but the new car video will be up on the channel very soon, so do check that out. It's completely different to this. It's, yeah, completely different car, chalk and cheese sort of thing, but it's still a wicked car. So yeah, do check that out. But for today, this is it, and as per usual, guys, stay safe and we will catch you on the next video.